over here with another cool demo of how we can leverage AI actions and AI in your workflows. So the use case that I have today is summarizing a Quickbase report and sending kind of like a weekly summary for at-risk projects. So I have the table in Quickbase that has 1,000 projects, right? And I want to understand on a weekly basis as a manager which are the projects at risk and what I can do about them. So instead of building Quickbase reports and dashboards and going over these projects manually, I'm going to use AI. So I have built a pipeline that I have executed already because it takes a bit of time. But what it does, it might look complex, but it is super simple. So I'm using the bucket channel to create a temporary table, which I'm going to save as a CSV after that in Quickbase and fetch it and pass it to the AI. So the important step is the fetch report record step, first of all, where I'm filtering only for in progress projects. And after that, I am using AI to summarize the report that was generated as a CSV. And you'll see that I'm asking it to produce an HTML ready email, to flag the top 10 projects, explanation on why each one was flagged, and give a suggested action item for each one. And after that, I'm sending that summary to myself. So if we open the email that I saw, you can see that I sent myself. You can see that I have a neat email with like the 10 projects and some information about them that I can just take action. So you can program the AI to perform different tasks with reports. You can ask it for like weekly updates. You can pretty much, you're free to do whatever you want. So that's one of them. Hope this was helpful, and see you in the next blog post. Thank you.